Hey everyone, Ryan at Mainly Muscle Cars. Gonna walk you through this 1979 F350 four-wheel drive. She's a beauty. F36 VIN, pretty rare. Not many people know about these. Dana 60 front axle. This little gem has lived on a farm most of its life, so hasn't seen the roughness of the salty winters and such. Body-wise, she's had some love on the farm, but it's not full of rust. Bed, however, had some mats in it along with this hitch they made, so she's got some rust in the bed, but you can buy a new panel for around the $450 mark. One thing I love about it, built-in toolbox, and it's in great shape. I've always wanted a truck with one of these. The 73 to 79 is my favorite series of Ford trucks. My first ever project was a 76 Highboy. This isn't a Highboy, but it sure is unique and rare, and she drives lovely. Let's pop the hood here real quick. Nice running 400 with the 4-speed. Purrs like a kitten. But you can see the inner fenders around the engine compartment. Very stock, clean, no rust. Look at that underhood paint even. It's got the original stickers up here. Pretty cool. I just love it. Jack. Let's take a peek inside. Red with some fragments of the original floor mat. Kind of cool to see what was there, but the best part, look at those floors. Everything is there. Original, rust-free. Wipers work, lights work. 4-speed, 4-wheel drive. Original visors, headliner. Looking behind the seat. Don't see that very often. Beautiful original truck. Seat belts are there. Maybe just put a nice little reupholster job on this seat and some new foam. Run it. Passenger side, just as clean. More of the original mat in there. We left it. One thing I also love is the stock steering wheel. None of that tiny steering wheel action that you see in so many of these. Let's hop in this little beauty, start her up. Electric fuel pump right here. You can wire that up for a key on situation, or as we mentioned, use it as a theft deterrent. I already deterred myself because I forgot it was there, but she purrs like a kitten. Love the originality of this truck. You don't see it that often anymore. Horn works. Radiator. Old ashtray. Heck, it even slides in and out nice and smooth. Parking brake works.